Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally here with a tutorial on this look using the original Jaclyn Hill palette, and if you guys like it, then please keep watching. So first I'm gonna go with a black eyeshadow and Morphe E36 pencil brush. I'm gonna place it on the outer part of my eye, on my lower lash line, and in my crease. Well, in my case, it's a little bit above my crease because I have hooded eyes, but you can go with your natural crease as well. So just imagine like you have that line going from your inner corner, but for this look, I want to keep all the dark shades on the outer corner and my inner part be a little bit lighter, so I'm not gonna place any black shadow there. Just gonna stop it right there. Next I'm gonna go with this dark green shade and I'm using Morphe 506. Any small blending brush will do, and I'm placing the color right on top of that black. And then when there is barely any product left on the brush, I start bringing it towards the inner corner and doing the same thing on the lower lash line. Basically every time I feel like I need a little bit more of that green eyeshadow, I always place it where the black color was, and then I just drag it from there towards the inner part. Next I'm gonna go with this brown shade and blend out the edges of the green. I'm using another Morphe 506 brush. It looks a little bit warmer on camera, but in person that was my best option because I tried some different brown before this and it just didn't work out. So, I mean, I wish there was like a cool tone brown in this palette, but there are none, so just work with what I had. After all the blending, it looked pretty good though. Now I'm gonna go with a little bit more of that green shade just to bring the pigment back on my outer corner and a little bit in my crease. Next I'm gonna use this second highlighting shade and place it on the inner half of my lid. So when I do a soft crease, I like to place my shimmer using a dry brush first because I feel like it's a lot easier to blend it in the crease like that. And then I use a wet brush to apply it where I want that shimmer to be the most intense. Now I'm just gonna go with Morphe 506 brush and blend those shadows in the crease. Next I'm gonna go across my lash line with this pretty Vulgar gel liner. The brush that I'm using is actually supposed to be for nails, for nail art. It's from Amazon and it's super cheap. I'm gonna link it in the description box. And I'm gonna use Morphe E36 pencil brush and a little bit of the black shadow to blend out that liner. It's definitely a lot better if you use a gel liner for this because it's really blendable. You can achieve a similar look using a liquid liner, but it's gonna be harder because liquid liners dry really fast and you can blend them. So all you can do is just place black shadow on top of it. I'm gonna go over the outer corner with a blending brush using a little bit more of the green eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the same gel liner for my waterline and then place some black eyeshadow using a definer brush and blend it out using the dark green. For my inner corner, I'm gonna use the same highlighting shade that we did on the lid. Next, I'm gonna go with this glitter from Amazon. You guys can find the link in the description if you're interested. And first I'm gonna place NYX glitter primer all over my lid, gently tapping, not to move the shadow, and then just press glitter on top of it. If you have any fallout, just go over with a little bit more with gel liner. Finally, I'm gonna apply some mascara and lashes, and our look is complete. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye!